要替患者治病，无一定都要用药啊。伫澳洲黄金海岸一间病院，请弦乐4重奏来演奏。伫病院就会当听到优美的音乐声，然后患者会当感觉心情较轻松。病院员工嘛讲，音乐对医病双方拢有帮助。另外，会当治疗患者的毋是干那医生尔。伫维多利亚省东部的一间农场，透过甲狗仔也有马等等动物的互动，会当帮助患者改善身心的状态。
病院巷路内面听到音乐的声音，四位演奏者做弦乐4重奏，伫病院开放空间为病人演奏音乐。这间伫澳洲黄金海岸的病院，每2礼拜就会替癌症部门的患者演奏音乐。病人、家属、工作人员拢真爱听。
I thought I was in the wrong place. I thought I'm not in a concert hall, yet it's live music. As you can always tell, live music is compared to something that comes out of electronics and speakers.
听音乐是真侪患者真喜喜的休困方式。其实这几位演奏者也是医学院2年的学生，因除了有真无闲的功课甲实习，还佫另外找时间来练习。结果到病演出，互因的生活更加有挑战性。因故因认为这种牺牲真有价值，病院员工也认为对医病双方有帮助。
The music really does give them a sense of joy, a sense of community and belonging, and that's for both the people listening, but also the people playing the music.
除了用音乐疗愈患者，也当用动物。澳洲的维多利亚省东部游乐园有一间农场，就真侪人来遮甲牛、马、狗活动，改善家己的身心状态。
Can I come through the gates? And I go into relaxed, and it does make you think. You have to slow down. They don't come up to your speed. You've got to go back to theirs, and it does give you a whole new focus.
对墨尔本来的麦肯金，一出事就脑性麻痹加邻骨的脊椎侧弯，4年前佫得到脑动脉瘤，伊接着动物辅助治疗，帮助身体恢复。参加动物辅助疗法的人讲，因甲动物做伙时阵，身体加精神拢加正好。
And they become more aware of their body language, their communication, and the trust and respect.
There are a number of countries in Europe that already have legislation in place that stipulates how many hours of training and that sort of thing.
不过，医疗专家对这种疗法伫咧临床上的帮助是真保留。专家建议，各路要用这种疗法的人，应该先了解提供服务的机构，并且向政府当局请求协助，避免弱势族群被误导。公司新闻郑伟林编译。